Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play 187 by Senses Fail today. This was another song that was requested, so if you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to get to them as soon as I can. And I can't guarantee I'll get to them, but I'll do my best, alright? This song is not in standard tuning, but it doesn't have a capo, so this is actually in drop D, alright? So drop D meaning, hear how low that E is? It's a D sound. So it doesn't sound exactly the same, but it should sound like similar to the D string, okay? And they're both open. All right, so basically you just tune the E string a whole step down. Okay, this is how I think actually every Senses Fail song is literally in drop D. I used to know how to play a lot of their stuff when I was in high school and college, and I was new to the guitar. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions, but please hit like and subscribe and request more songs to learn in the comments. Okay, so we're gonna get into this. All right, what you're gonna do is you're not going to use any standard chords. I'm going to show you how to pick the intro, which is also what he plays for the first verse, and then I'll show you how to they're like power bar chords basically before the verses and the chorus. Okay, so the way you're going to start with this song is you're going to put your pointer finger, all right, goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your middle finger, all right, goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. You will use your ring finger in a minute and put it on the 4th string, but all right, and then you'll the E string, the little E string, all right, is going to be open the whole time. Okay, so you'll start with just these 2 fingers like I showed you, okay? Then you're going to start with the G. Okay, so you're going to do it twice. 1, 1, 2. All right, so you do G, G, B, all right? So you do 2, 2, 3, 2, O, 3, 2, 3, okay? So see that one more time. I'll show you where I'm plucking. G, G, B, G, E, B, G, B. Okay? Then, after you do that once, and you're going to do it a little bit faster than that, but after you do that once, you're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the G string, okay? Then you're going to do the same exact plucking, or picking, okay? So you're going to do G, G, B, G, E, B, G, B. Okay, I don't know if you can see that super well. Okay, then you're going to lift off. So you do, instead of, you know how you do that one twice every time, you're gonna do 4, 2, okay, 4, 2, O. So your middle finger stays on the whole time. That's the only one that stays on the whole time when you're doing this picking. Okay, so you do, and then you're just going to repeat that. So after you do, all right. Okay, and then you start over again. So you're going to do, and I'll do it once up here so you can see my fingers on the frets, okay? Sorry. All right, I messed up at the very end there, but you're going to do, so you remember you just do, that's how you do it. Here you do 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, O, 2, 2, 3, 2, O, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, O, 3, 4, 3, okay? Then you open, then you go, okay, so you're just going to keep the plucking pattern, the picking pattern is the exact same for that whole thing. Okay, so then play it slowly at the beginning, and then you can get faster with it. Okay, then you'll be able to play it a lot faster. All right, so that's how you're going to play the picking part. All right, so just one quick time. I'll go through it really slow for you. I know I said quick and slow, but I'm just going to show you where you're gonna pluck, okay? So you're gonna do G, G, B, G, E, B, G, B, and then you put on the fourth, G, G, B, G, E, B, G, B. Okay, so when you do 4, you do 4, 4, 3, 4, 0, 3. Okay, and then you do, after you do that 3, you're gonna do 2, 0, 0. Okay, then you do, so you're doing open. Then you do G, G, B, G, E, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, E, B, G, B. Okay? So that's how you play the intro part. You're going to play it twice with no lyrics, and then you're going to play it a bunch with the lyrics. Now the way that you will then play the verses for like the second verse, or you can play this for the first verse if you have a hard time after picking it for a little bit, is you're gonna, so with when it's in drop D, when you're playing, instead of doing like a power chord like this, okay, on the E, A, and D strings, because it's in a step down, you'll actually just bar those 3. It's not hard to do. It might seem hard, but it's not. Sometimes I'll use this, my middle finger, sometimes I'll use my pointer finger, okay? What you're gonna do is, you're gonna start with open, actually. So what I do, as you can see here, I will just mute just by touching them. So I'm not pushing them down, but I'm just touching them. I will mute the bottom 3 strings. So you're only playing those top 3 ones, okay? You're only playing E, A, and D. You don't want any sound from the other ones. It would sound weird if you did that, okay? So you're gonna do open, and you're gonna be palm muting. So you're gonna do just like that. Okay, so palm mute, and you're gonna do open, open, okay, open, 9, 7, 5. Okay, then you do it again. Open, 9, 7, 5. We're so nice, sitting very still, in a room where no one else can feel the pain that breaks my heart each day. I'm not okay. Just like that, okay? So that's how you're gonna play it. Just that same, if you're having a hard time with it, just try and play it along with me, okay? Shot through my heart. Okay, just like that. Then when you go to the chorus, you'll do the chorus a little bit differently, all right? So for the chorus, and I'm going to include a tab that shows you guys how to play all this. I'll link to it in the comments, so make sure you watch for that. But you're gonna start with 9, all right? So you're gonna do 9. You're gonna do the hardest thing about dying is knowing you'll never see the light of day. And you start over. So you're gonna do 9, 5, open, 4. And see, if you push it down too hard on the whole thing, it'll kind of make sounds for the other ones. So you want to kind of mute it, but only play the top 3. 9, 5, open, 4. Okay, just like that. So it's good. The strumming pattern for that is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Then you go to the second verse. You can start with. Okay, so you'll do that twice. You just play that through like twice, that part, and then you're gonna start palm muting again, and you're gonna do open. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna play it just like I showed you, all right? So that's how you play the whole song, all right? Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I hope I made that easy for you to learn and stuff. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, and that you have a good time. Let me know if you have any questions or anything, and I'll see you next time.